सामने लीजिए ना सर।
हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे आप सबको।
वैलेंटाइंस डे।
डार्लिंग डे।
चलो उजाले।
आज सब रेड रेड लगता है।
चलो उजाले।
दिल भी रेड, रेड भी रेड।
चलो उजाले।
हेलो सर, गुड इवनिंग। पीछे पीछे
सामने सर दिल उठाइए, वो दिल दिल।
सर, लेफ्ट टू राइट सर।
वेरी नाइस सर, गुड सर,
लेफ्ट टू राइट सर।
ब्यूटीफुल सर।
सामने देखिए ना सर, सामने देखिए। राइट।
ओके डन 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 डन।
सिंगल सिंगल सर, एक सिंगल सिंगल एक सिंगल।
Full of action and full of Indians also. All entrepreneurs in Bangkok, 90% of the people are Indians. So Punjab से रहता है, कोई Bombay से रहता है, कोई Hyderabad से रहता है. In fact, we have tied up with 4 properties, franchise properties, and we have got our own arrangements. But everybody is welcoming Country Club. I felt very happy because, not because of anything else, because the Country Club is known even in Thailand. And people, they came and they, in large numbers they wanted to meet me. All they wanted was a handshake from the Country Club members and the brand. So बहुत अच्छा था. It was a very interesting.
कंट्री क्लब कितने साल की यात्रा पूरी कर चुकी है और फ्रेंचाइजी को लेकर क्या कुछ प्लान है आपका?
35 years, 1989 में शुरू करें अपन पैलेस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ हैदराबाद कंट्री क्लब एज यू नो. वहाँ से शुरुआत करें, वहाँ से लेकर अभी 35 years हो गए. वी हैव गॉट अबाउट 100 clubs now. उसमें 35 own clubs and 65 franchisee model. We are going to extend the franchisee model to all the Asian countries and if possible even places like London where there are a lot of Indian settlements. So पलट के देखे तो एक ही only one house was dilapidated house was there, which was the palace of the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, meant for monumental preservation. So उसको कैसा preserve करके उसका how best to take it forward. Then the idea Country Club came, and today we are standing here in Bombay and talking about Thailand. It's really amazing.
कंट्री क्लब यूथ के लिए कुछ कर रहा है, यूथ के लिए?
Yes, we youth के लिए I always tell, don't stop, no drugs, no smoking, and no alcohol. This is what I tell my own children. So Country Club is nothing but an extension of my family. So I would treat them more like independent individuals, and I have a lot of confidence that maybe even it can be an inspiration to a lot of youngsters, and people come there to the health club gym. They can, it is one of the best gyms in Bombay actually. So a lot of staff also come here. So my dear friends, yes, we are contributing to the children also.
अभी हाल ही में आपने वीआईपी कार्ड लॉन्च किया था बैंकॉक वाला, उसका क्या अभी पोजीशन है, कुछ बार मुझे कहना चाहिए?
हाँ, अच्छा, response has been very good. It's been terrific actually. A lot of inquiries, a lot of people want to go to Pattaya, to Bangkok, and Phuket. So and currency also is this thing बहुत. अपन 100 रुपये कर ले गए तो वहाँ 3.5 times ज़्यादा है. So you will, if you spend 10 baht, you can get that 350, 35 bahts. It's very economical for a traveler. So if you are talking about economy, if you are talking about Thailand, Thailand is the place. We can burn our money there.
आज कंट्री क्लब में डार्लिंग डे पे कुछ ऑफर है जो जीतेगा उसे क्या इनाम मिल सकता है
उन लोगों को वोट देना मैं
सेंटर में थोड़ा ये साथ में
Okay.
या
What is the price you're giving?
इस 2.25 ना
Yeah, it is priced at. Like I was telling you, this I was bought my food. I was a very busy man. But Menega ji, I was country club ko I had to meet her and then assured the support of all the country club members and country club per se. वही support से आज जुबलेंस में Amla and Menega, they should be thanked actually for having shown so much faith in our brand. And our brand, as you know, country club cares. It doesn't only care for the members, but the extension of their families, their pets also. So, my dear friends, this is something I think we all have to look up to, and then not these new dogs, just as dogs. They are more faithful than human beings. They make very good friends, very affectionate. And basically, I am a wildlife person also. We have built a beautiful wildlife in Bandipur. It is packed. When I पहले शुरू करे वक्त कोई नहीं जाता था because they were scared of the wild. But I had taken Pooja Bedi along with the entire media from Bombay to Bandipur 3 दिन के लिए. Oh, I mean, it was such a beautiful experience for the entire members because members were scared to go into the forest. Whereas Pooja Bedi brought her children into the forest along with us. So we have to take the lead. I think it is very simple. Lead, follow, or get out of the way. So anyhow, we choose to live. And today the Bandipur property also is packed. And you have the largest number of tigers there, apart from Jim Corbett. But there is a heaven for all the members in Bombay also. So my dear friends, after some time we will showcase Menega Gandhi's visit and Amla's party, last month's party, and you will understand our commitment towards animals and especially dogs, how strong it is and what the difference it makes to human being.
आप हाल ही में बैंकॉक यात्रा की थी सर किस तरह का अनुभव रहा है अपना शेयर करेंगे
Oh, Bangkok is Darling Day out. It is actually a mixed version of Valentine's Day because in this Darling Day out you will get your Nana, Nani and your children also. So it is just to showcase the love and affection in bonded families. Now I should tell you one again very important event which has changed my perception towards animal kingdom. I was in New York last month and I was invited for a party in a friend's place. So believe it or not, what I saw was it was a dog's birthday party and they treat dogs more as an extension of the family, and it is from dogs they get unconditional love. And unlike India, people in Australia and England, Western countries and USA, people have dogs, they celebrate dogs' birthdays as if it is their own. I myself, till I reached the place and I saw so many of dogs there, of course being well taken care of by bones, dog biscuits and other things. And that changed my entire perception towards pets and towards animals. It is not out of place to mention that when we started Save the Pet, Mrs. Menega Gandhi खुद आई थी मेरे को मिलने के लिए कंवर्सेशन बोलने के लिए because वो ज़माने में मैं almost 5 acres of land I got it done through the then government. Mr. Indira Gandhi was chief minister. So my heart goes out whenever I see dogs being ill-treated. I feel that they are more loyal than anybody else. And last month, Nagarjuna's wife Amla is also part of the Blue Cross. She organized a fantastic party And yeah, so so Maneka Gandhi's visit to Country Club, I will show it to you on the big screen after your press interaction with me. So we supported her those days, and we got them land in Jubilee Hills, which today has become the center of the city. And our commitment goes beyond just animals and family. These dogs especially are an extension of the family, and people love to have them more so in the Western countries. As I was telling you, it's a lonely place. अपन सोचते हैं कि वहाँ अमेरिका ऐसा है वैसा है, but the other side of America is to retire in the USA is a curse actually, because you don't have any emotional support. बच्चे इंडिया में रहते हैं, नहीं तो बाहर रहते हैं. अमेरिका में हैं तो भी मेरे को मालूम है 2 घरों के पास बाप बेटे भी नहीं मिलते. So that is America, and that is the people who are working in US, though they may be making dollar incomes and all that. But our middle class families, middle upper middle class families, I studied in a missionary school, and we have all come up, including last month when I was having a Independence Day celebration.
डार्लिंग डे पे आपने पालतू जानवरों को भी आमंत्रण दिया है क्या? कुछ खास आज का वैलेंटाइन डे पे है,
क्या बोले आप?
पालतू डॉग्स को भी आपने यहाँ आमंत्रण दिया?
एक्चुअली आपने वैलेंटाइंस डे के बहुत सारे इवेंट्स देखे होंगे. प्यार, आज का प्यार का दिन है, लव का दिन है. लेकिन यहाँ पर स्पेशलिटी ये है कंट्री क्लब में कि यहाँ सारी जनरेशन्स जो हैं वो एक साथ मना पाती हैं. आप सिर्फ पार्टनर के साथ ही वैलेंटाइंस डे नहीं मना रहे हैं, डार्लिंग्स डे नहीं मना रहे हैं. आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ, अपने सीनियर्स के साथ, अपने बच्चों के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, और यहाँ तक कि जैसा कि सर की आज सोच थी, ये विज़न था कि हम पेट्स को भी इन्वॉल्व करें. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर भी इस पेट को. तो ये एक बहुत ही बिल्कुल ये यैक है जो हमने चलो गैंगटॉक के लिए भी लोगों को दिया था. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा कहते हैं लकी है, राइट. सो ये आज हमारे साथ यहाँ पर है, हमारा पेट. एंड आज यहाँ पर जितने भी कंट्री क्लब के मेंबर्स हैं, मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो लोग अपने पेट्स के साथ यहाँ पर आ पाए होंगे, क्योंकि जनरली ऐसा होता नहीं है. हम लोग नहीं लेकर जा पाते अपने पेट्स को कहीं पे. तो इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सोच सर की, जो उन्होंने इस विज़न के साथ इसको ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है कि डार्लिंग्स डे आउट हम सिर्फ फैमिली के साथ ही नहीं, हम पेट्स के साथ भी मना सकते हैं. तो दिस इज़ द एक्चुअली ब्यूटी ऑफ डार्लिंग्स डे आउट. मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि इट्स अ डे ऑफ लव. तो सेलिब्रेट द डे ऑफ लव विद योर पार्टनर, विद योर फैमिली, विद योर किड्स एंड ऑफ कोर्स विद योर पेट्स एज वेल. लेकिन हाँ, प्यार एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत चीज़ है, तो उसे जितना खूबसूरत रखा जाए वही अच्छा है. ये मैं अपने जैसे रील्स पे भी बोलती हूँ, धोखेबाजी मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. तो ये नहीं, मिलावट नहीं होनी चाहिए. जैसे कंट्री क्लब में बिल्कुल भी मिलावट नहीं है, सब लोग साथ बंध के चलते हैं.
say the happy faces of all of you. Thank you really, really very much. And now I would like to call upon stage the person who is behind it all, the Chairman and Managing Director of Country Club, Mr. Y. Rajiv Reddy, sir. I would like to speak few words for him before he come up on the stage. He is a visionary leader who has turned a personal calling into a national mission with a rare blend of confidence that leadership is not just about growth, but about people, purpose, and progress. His journey is a testament to resilience, determination, and the power of unwavering belief. A huge round of applause for the kings of clubs, Rajiv Reddy sir. And with him, I would like to call upon the stage the models who are going to walk with him and show you the real catwalk. I would like to call on stage Ishi and Infi. Please send them on the stage who are going to walk with sir on this ramp. Please give a huge round of applause and special thanks to these beautiful creatures. Please. To my very, very good friend, Dr. Santosh Pandey ji, who is not in the town, but yet he has sent these two creatures with us to celebrate this Darling's Day out.
It was a fantastic show. I could see so much talent, and especially for the youngsters, people who are 7, 8 years old, young. We have put them on the world stage. That Country Club is very, very exciting place because we can directly motivate them to think independently and then face the world. Anyhow, today, like we have got these puppies, it is nothing but an extension of our existing philosophy. We make sure that families are happy, but then puppies at this particular point of time, especially in the United States and Europe and Australia, are part of the family and more like an extended family. I had a pup myself called Bozo. It's no more, but after Bozo passed away, I never felt like having one because it created a deep impression on me, and I felt I could not take another sorrow. But anyhow, God bless. Happy Darling's Day. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words, and thank you so much for giving your precious time. Sir, I would like you to stay here for some more time for giving the prizes, and I give a special thanks to Ritika and Debashish for bringing these. And a very important moment, I would like sir to address this because you can see behind us the picture of Rajiv sir and Menka Gandhi ji, all of you know. I would like sir to explain this picture.
Well, there was a wonderful memory in my life. Maneka Gandhi ji personally आए थे कंट्री क्लब में मिलने के लिए मेरे को in Hyderabad, and she is a dog lover and a lover of animals. So I think from there I took off when we made a substantial contribution, country club as a group, and then later on we also helped them to get procure some land, which today is standing in Jubilee Hills, close to about 3 acres in the heart of the city. And Amla. These are all precious moments. In fact, some people are really committed, and one amongst them is Maneka Gandhi. And this is Amla, actor Nagarjuna's wife. She's a close friend of mine. And like last month, they celebrated about 25 years of being together, country club support. So they had, can you see the volume?
Can we have the volume, please? Can you just increase the volume of the video? I can't hear you. Rakesh, can we have the volume? Can you play the video with the music?
This is Amla. And this is my good friend Manu. And the media in Hyderabad. The country club support towards animals and especially towards puppies, homegrown puppies. Plus, you all know that we have got a beautiful, amazing resort in Bandipur. A lot of members are traveling there, and it is almost packed. And there is one big commitment from the country club side to preserve animals and also pets. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And I hope you must have all enjoyed a lot. And have you seen the ramp walk? Yeah. Okay. So boys first or girls first? Okay. okay. Boys ने बहुत हिम्मत जुटाई थी और आ गए थे मेरे कहने पे. So I would want the boys first. So from boys, the second runner-up is Rudra Patil. Woo! Rudra came with 3 guys, right? ब्यूटीफुली, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, लेकिन हमें प्राइजेस तो देने ही हैं, इसलिए पहले ही माय अपॉलॉजीज जो लोग नहीं जीत पाए हैं, बट लेट मी अनाउंस द नेम्स फर्स्ट. सेकंड रनर अप श्रेया सुर्वे. श्रेया. Couple. We could wake up Manish Modi and
Ready for you. I really believe in your concept of country club. I am a member of so many prestigious clubs in South Mumbai. I have chosen to become a member of this club because I believe in your concept and I really appreciate it. Right? And I believe you have achieved a lot in your country club, but there is still a potential which is very high and you can really achieve it, and I will wish all the best. Okay, there are few cities in Mumbai, in India, which realize the club culture, which is Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and a little more. But I believe that the club culture all over India and the aspiration of becoming a member of the club, which is I mean, it's a prestigious thing for anybody, is very nice and is very really captured, because the other clubs are snobbish. They don't give you a membership, and you are very limited. Memberships are taken. Nobody takes in as a member. Country club opens your arm for you and opens. I mean, it is open for everybody who can become a member, and I really appreciate of it, and I really wish all the best for your future, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Great honor for me to listen to your lovely words. It gives us more motivation, and I'm sure, I think, like you said, we will definitely do the impossible. We will reach different countries also. God bless. Thank you. Take care, sir.
Thank you, and thank you. All the best to my lovely wife, and thank you. I didn't catch your name.
Rahila. Thank you, Rahila. Thank you, the audience, and all the best. Enjoy your night.